Myth versus reality. Beauty trends skincare check. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about some popular beauty trends and separate fact from fiction. Are you ready to find out what's real and what's just a myth? Face masks. First up, let's talk about face masks. We've all seen those videos of people applying face masks and waking up with glowing skin. But is it really that effective? The reality is, face masks can be beneficial, but they're not a miracle solution. They can help to hydrate and nourish your skin, but they won't completely transform your skin overnight. Skincare routines. Next up, let's talk about skincare routines. We've all heard that we need to follow a strict skincare routine to achieve perfect skin. But is that really true? The reality is, everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. The key is to find a routine that works for you and your skin type. Exfoliating. Now, let's talk about exfoliating. We've all heard that we need to exfoliate regularly to get rid of dead skin cells. But is that really necessary? The reality is, exfoliating can be beneficial, but over-exfoliating can be harsh on your skin. It's all about finding a balance and exfoliating in moderation. When moisturizing. Finally, let's talk about moisturizing. We've all heard that we need to moisturize regularly to keep our skin hydrated. But is that really true? The reality is, moisturizing is essential, especially for dry skin types. However, over-moisturizing can lead to clogged pores and acne. Sunscreen. Let's talk about sunscreen. We've all heard that we need to wear sunscreen every day to protect our skin from the sun. But is that really necessary? The reality is, wearing sunscreen is crucial, especially if you spend time outdoors. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and apply it regularly. Face steaming. Now, let's talk about face steaming. We've all seen those videos of people steaming their faces and claiming it helps to clear their pores. But does it really work? The reality is, face steaming can help to open up your pores and loosen dirt and impurities. However, it's not a substitute for regular cleansing and skincare. Face oils. Let's talk about face oils. Let's talk about face oils. We've all heard that face oils are essential for healthy and glowing skin. But is that really true? The reality is, face oils can be beneficial, but they're not suitable for everyone. The reality is, face oils can be beneficial, but they're not suitable for everyone. If you have oily skin, you may want to avoid using face oils or use them in moderation. Chemical peels. Now, let's talk about chemical peels. We've all heard that chemical peels are a great way to exfoliate and brighten your skin. But are they really safe? The reality is, chemical peels can be beneficial, but they can also be harsh on your skin. It's essential to do a patch test before using a chemical peel and to follow the instructions carefully. Microneedling. Let's talk about microneedling. We've all heard that microneedling is a great way to stimulate collagen production and improve skin texture. But does it really work? The reality is, microneedling can be beneficial, but it's not a miracle solution. It can help to improve skin texture and reduce fine lines and wrinkles, but it may require multiple sessions to see results. Derma rolling. Finally, let's talk about derma rolling. We've all heard that derma rolling is a great way to improve skin texture and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. But is it really effective? The reality is, derma rolling can be beneficial, but it's not suitable for everyone. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to avoid using a derma roller or start with a gentle one to see how your skin reacts. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something new and interesting. Remember, the key to achieving healthy and glowing skin is to find a routine that works for you and your skin type. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty content.